Alright y'all, I'm back on this old 63 Chevrolet back here. Gonna do a few things to it real quick. Let me show you. Alright y'all, here's what we got going. First of all, I'm gonna put some door stops, both doors. Let me show you. Right here, as you can see, and as you can hear that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the door stop. There's two of them right there. Well, there's one. I'm gonna put one on both sides. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in and the driver's side in. And here we go. Let's get started. All right, well, first off, we got to take the door handle and the window crank off. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take this panel off right here with this Phillip head I got on this drill. And here we go. Alright, what we're going to do here, pop this bolt out of here, take our 7/16 ratchet, get these two bolts out here, and get this stop out of here. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pop that out. There it is. That's free. I'm going to take the 7/16. Okay, I got it loose right there, as you can see. I'm going to reach my hand through here, pull it out. There it is right there. Alright, here goes a new one back in. There it is. Right there. Right there. I'll put my pin back through it. What I use is this bolt right here. I'll stick the bolts back through here and tighten them up. Here we go. Alright, I got this top bolt in. Going for the bottom one. Alright, there we go. I'll just tighten it up, and here we go. Alright, I got the door stop installed. For now, I just got a bolt through there, which is fine. Originally, we'll put a pin through there later, but for now, that's good. Everything's bolted up. Door's coming back pretty good. It stops real good where nothing's going to damage right there. So we're looking real good. I got to put the panel on, the window crank, door handle, and all that. So here we go. Alright, y'all, on the driver's side, I done took the pin out. and the door swung open just a little too far. Put a little nick in it, which ain't bad. I can fix that, it's okay. I redid this a couple years back. This was dented in pretty bad. I pulled everything out, fixed that. Little spot down here was the same way. But for now, there we go. We're gonna put that there on it, so it won't come back and damage it no more. But what we got going here, already got this tore apart. There's the door stop right there. This has got the original Phillip heads on it right here, as you can see. So I've got them loose. I'll go ahead and pull this bad dog out. And there's the new one. Okay, here's the new one. Okay, I'm gonna put the original size Phillip head back in there. Here we go. All right, y'all, let's see if we can get this, all right, y'all, let's see if we can get this brake pad and clutch pad on. There's one. There we go. Freshen it up. I put that new throttle on there a while back, so we're good to go. Alright, y'all, here we go. Everything's looking cool. This little scratch here made me about half sick, but that'll be okay. Luckily it wasn't painted or nothing. But I'll know next time to put something over that when I take the pin out. And I've got the original pin somewhere, I just don't know where. But I got a 1/4-inch bolt going through there, which is fine. I ran like that for years. Easy to take the door off if you got to or whatever. There's my new rubber pads, clutch and brake, looking good. My door handles right here, these are facing towards the back, as you can tell, on both sides. I don't remember if that's the way they were when I bought the truck or not. But anyway, the ones on my red truck, I've always had them facing toward the front on both sides, which I'm used to that. And that's the way they're going to stay. Well, everything's cool. I'm pretty much sure I got this truck sold to my cousin, so he may have me doing some more work on it later. But for now, that's all I'm going to do to it. But we'll see. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy. I broke the other one somehow, so I had to order a new one. There we go.